Having an online business that runs on its own and generates money sounds great, right? A business running silently in the background while you're living your life and doing other things. Who wouldn't want that? That's everyone's dream. But if you've ever tried to build a passive income business like this, you know it's not easy. It can seem completely unattainable. But there are thousands of people doing it right now, and most of them aren't just making a small amount of income, they're making big money. So how is this possible? Any successful project to create passive income needs to follow these 3 rules. There needs to be a considerable demand for your product. You need to produce an item or provide a service that people are looking for every single day. For example, a website that millions of people couldn't live without. A successful endeavor will be in a high-demand niche area. This will guarantee a wide audience of people looking for what you have to offer. The project should have a proven track record of being profitable. Why spend time and energy reinventing the wheel? You want to make sure other people are making good money using the same business model. The project should be easy to monetize. To make a lot of money from an online business, you need more than just 1 or 2 monetization methods. The more sources of income you have for the same traffic, the higher your earning potential. These rules are logical, so if we do our research and follow these guidelines, we'll have a good chance of building a solid business that will deliver reliable profit. Now the question is there an online business model that meets those 3 rules? There's one. We researched hundreds of online models and found the one booming niche that consistently makes strong profits. News websites. News websites are a huge trend and bring in millions of readers every day. Because they're consistently high traffic, they can also be highly profitable and lucrative for you. First, let's check whether they follow our 3 traits of a worthwhile passive income. Demand. Demand for news websites is at an all-time high. People all over the world are addicted to the latest updates on news, politics, entertainment, and sports. They want to stay consistently up to date. To do this, they check news sources every day, or more, for updates. The proof. A lot of news websites earn thousands of dollars every day, and that's without even pushing people to buy a product. Here's how much some news sites earn on a daily basis. Huffington Post earns $29,896 a day from advertising revenue alone. Mashable earns $15,781 a day just from their ad banners. Engadget earns $9,861 from ad banners and affiliate orders. Even a niche site like Kotaku earns $1,599 a day from ad banners. They're easy to monetize. A lot of news websites earn significant income passively by monetizing their valuable content and by mixing news with related products and services. This technique easily turns site traffic into sales and leads. You can turn the internet's addiction to news into money in your pocket. Today's the best day to get started. The demand for news and updates is even higher right now. In these uncertain times, people never know what to expect from the news. Every headline can affect their daily lives. Because of this, more people than ever check the news. Even if they didn't care about the current events before, they do now. And they're willing to look anywhere, not just the most popular sites. According to The Economist, many readers will get their news from any source as long as they can get the latest updates. This makes it easy for newcomers like you to get involved in the industry. It's clear, this is a rare opportunity. But there's a big problem. It's hard to set this up the right way. You have to build a site that readers will trust and will come back to. You have to design it well and fully monetize it from the ground up. That takes technical skills and a lot of work. Just building a site can be time consuming. Then after going live, you have to constantly comb the internet yourself looking for news. Once you find something newsworthy, you have to rewrite it, make it eye-catching, create offers to add to your site. The list goes on and on, it never ends. You're probably already exhausted and are wondering what you can do to make it easy. Luckily, we've already built a better way for you. Today, I'm presenting the next generation of viral site builders. It's called Gonews. With this advanced software, you can start your own site easily. It has everything a website needs to stay trending and relevant for years to come. Let's see how it works. First, let's look at Gonews' unique trending news dashboard. Here you can see the latest top news stories combined, all pulled from the best sources all over the internet. You can pick which stories you want to pick up, click to spin it and make the content unique, and post. Now your news site is ready to trend, it's already monetized and set up to start generating profit. Next, Gonews has a groundbreaking main planner. The main planner is a visual builder that allows you to organize your content timeline for each category on your site. It's the brain of the whole site. And to help you manage your entire site, you have the site calendar. This helpful visual calendar helps you oversee your whole site plan from a bird's eye view. Gonews combines the best offers from ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warriors Plus and gives you 50% commissions on every sale. It also works with AdSense so you can earn money from every click. With e-com products ready for sale, opt-in forms, and pop-ups readily available, you can build your list and earn money from your site traffic at the same time. All these features are ready to go, so you can start earning money from day one. Once your site launches, you're ready to watch your site grow over time, develop a good reputation with your readers, bring in traffic, and generate profits. And even better, you can be proud of what you've made. And we've just barely scratched the surface of how Gonews can help you succeed. Cloud hosting is included, so there's no need for you to spend extra on hosting services. Enable domain use to build your brand. Don't forget, there's no coding to learn and no articles to write. Gonews handles the technical stuff for you right out of the box. And we're so confident in what Gonews can do for you that we guarantee results from it. You'll be able to build a solid, professional, profitable business that you will love running. Are you ready to start earning passive income? Remember, this is a limited time offer, so act now before it's too late. This offer will expire soon after the launch deal. After that, you won't see a tool like Gonews at a price this low again. Get instant access to Gonews today.